We welcome you all on behalf of Seed Dental Masters. Seed Dental Masters is a global education platform for learning and sharing. Our vision is to seed the knowledge of dentistry. There is a famous saying, knowledge increases by sharing, but not by saving. Learning and unlearning are two sides of a coin. We need to master both in order to progress in the right direction in life. For a budding dentist, this will be a great learning platform of new concepts. But for an experienced dentist, this may as well be an unlearning platform of all your old concepts. We are really excited to start this journey along with you all. As a team, we will share our knowledge selflessly. As a community, we will all grow together. Mighty trees grow from tiny seeds. We all will be the tiny seeds to make you all mighty trees. Signing off, Dr. Ramesh Selvam from Seed Dental Masters.
What you can expect from Seed Dental Masters? You will have consistent sharing of challenging clinical cases in the platform by renowned clinicians. Even you can be one. You will have case discussions and peer support for all your clinical oriented doubts. Everybody knows watch party in FB, right? Even Seeds will have a video watch party of best mentors in the world on a specific date and time. That's nothing but a group study. Back to college days. This is Dr. Malavari Ramesh from Seed Dental Masters.
Hello everyone. I am Sindhil Northern, prosthodontist and implantologist. I am happy to be part of Seed Dental Masters. It is an online knowledge sharing platform for the dentist. I am mentoring dentists in the field of implantology for the past 15 years. Everyone needs a mentor at different point of their learning curve. We will be a mentor as well as a bridge to the world-class mentors.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Shobna, endodontist. I'm glad to be a part of this group, Seed Dental Masters. We'll be sharing a few simple clinical tips which will be helpful in our day-to-day practice. I believe in small things matters most and make a great difference towards the end.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Swarnakanta, periodontist. Have done my masters in hospital administration as well. I feel much privileged to be a part of Seed Dental Masters. Through this knowledge sharing platform, I would like to unfold the business aspects of our profession, as it remains the axle upon which I believe the wheels of our practice revolves. Thank you.
Dental Masters is coming out with the dental emergencies and its management in a user-friendly content. Because when you prepare for emergencies, they cease to exist. This is Dr. K. Shanmugapriya from Chennai.
Hi friends, this is Dr. Supriya here from Seed Dental Masters. We are here to bring lectures and webinars of great speakers from worldwide to update and upgrade ourselves. Let's share our knowledge and grow together at the comfort of ourselves from our home.
Greetings Seed members. Success is no accident. It is hard work, perseverance and constant learning. This is Dr. Sakshi Garara here to help you strengthen your foundation by getting back to your basics.